Hi, this is Wigakado. I am making a series of 3D modeling tutorials for beginners on Nomad Sculpt. If you are interested in this topic, please consider to subscribe for more related videos. Today, I will show you how to model this inflatable banana in an easy way. Alright, let's get started. First, I just delete the default sphere and lock the view by holding the orientation box. Use tube by tapping a curve to draw a banana shape like so. I change each point's radius by tapping this button twice. Adjust these points to make a banana shape that you are happy with. Because the tube is too round and smooth, I decrease the division to make it more like a banana shape. Now, I remesh it to a low resolution and smooth the edges. This way I won't change the shape too much. You can always add subdivision for a higher resolution right after. I quickly fill a yellow color for making a banana feeling for me to look at. I sharpen the edges and draw bumps across those edges like so. Now, the banana shape has become realistic. Let's move on the air plug modeling. For the air plug, I use lathe to draw half of the basic shape and fine-tune it. And similar way to build the top part of the plug. For the air plug puller I use triplanar to create. This tool is very good for a dynamic shape. You can just mask the area with each view to create the form like so. It may take some time to figure out during your first time, but after you understand how it works, it can help you create lots of complex shapes. After I get the shape right, I match the components all together and put it in the right position. Then I use drag to move the edges to slap on the banana like so. Now, the model is completed. Let's work on the rendering now. At the moment, the yellow is too bright. I can't really see the air plug, so I change it to a darker yellow and find a green color for some touch-ups. I also custom the alpha for the blurry edges which can mix the yellow more naturally. Of course, some dark brown on the head and tail as well. For the label texture, I create it from Affinity Designer and export a PNG file for it. Make sure you have some spaces on the image's edges. Right, if anyone wants me to make a tutorial for label textures, please comment below. I go more in depth on how to do this. Okay, let's continue to finish this. The resolution is not high enough to show the image clearly, so I subdivide it. Now, you have it. I hope you guys can get some ideas for Nomad Sculpt. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.